Did you feel that? A small tremor in the digital world. That was Google holding its massive I/O event, dropping a truckload of new AI updates that promised to change. Well, just about everything. If you heard a storm of terms like Gemini Omni anti-gravity AI agents and felt your brain start to short-circuit, don't worry. That's a normal reaction. It can all sound incredibly complex and overwhelming. But here's the good news. You don't need a computer science degree to understand what's happening. I'm here to be your friendly tech guide on this journey. My goal is simple. I'm going to break down all these huge announcements into plain, simple words. We'll skip the jargon and get straight to what these tools can actually do for you. Think of this as the highlight reel, but with clear explanations that matter for your daily life. We'll look at how your video creation, your daily work, your web searches, and even your reality might shift. It's a lot to take in, but we'll go one step at a time. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's unpack the future Google just laid out for us. This isn't just another tech update. It's a fundamental shift in how we'll interact with our devices. First up, let's talk about a new model called Gemini Omni. This is where things get really creative. Imagine an AI that doesn't just understand text, but also video, images, audio all at once. That's Gemini Omni, multimodal. You can give it a video clip and, with a simple text instruction, make edits or create effects. It's like having a Hollywood special effects artist on call. Example: upload a video of someone touching a mirror. Type, "When they touch the mirror, make it ripple like liquid and turn their arm into reflective material." Seconds later, Gemini Omni returns a video where that exact thing happens. Another example: a person playing violin. Original clip. Change the background to a park. Remove the violin. Change the camera angle. All while keeping the person consistent. It's a powerful tool for creators and editors. This is incredible. Educational videos with instant animations. Small businesses making pro commercials on a budget. Artists and storytellers unlocking new possibilities. The barrier to creating stunning content is falling. The potential is enormous. Reality check. It's new and imperfect. Early outputs can show weird anatomy or unnatural motion. Competitors are building similar tools. So, be excited, but patient. Next, Google introduced two things that sound like they're from a superhero movie. Gemini 3.5 Flash Anti-Gravity 2.0. Let's start with Gemini 3.5 Flash. The keyword is flash, built for speed and endurance, designed for long, complex, multi-step tasks. Less like a chatbot that answers one question, more like a project manager that can plan use tools, write code, check its own work, keep going until the job is done. It's the engine for a new kind of AI, perfect for agentic workflows. Give an AI a goal, it spins up a team of smaller agents. They work on different parts at the same time. Example demo. A team recreated a complex research paper. They coded the project, trained an AI model from scratch, built a website to showcase it, all in just a few hours. Power is in the coordinated team. Now, Anti-Gravity 2.0, platform to manage teams of AI agents. Forget complicated coding environments. Anti-Gravity looks like a chat interface. You can simply talk to it, orchestrate multiple agents without writing code. For over 2 decades, Google Search has worked the same basic way. You type in words, it returns a list of blue links. That era is officially ending. Google is redesigning search into an AI-powered assistant. Instead of just finding information, it will help you understand it, organize it, and act on it. The search box is becoming a conversational space where you can explain what you need in detail using text, images, or files from your computer as part of your question. Imagine you're planning a party. Instead of 10 different searches for recipes, decorations, music, you can ask one complex question. But it gets even more interesting with information agents. You can tell an agent, "I'm looking for a 2-bedroom apartment near downtown with a budget of $2,000. Let me know when you find new listings." The agent monitors the web 24/7 and sends a synthesized update only when something matches. This turns repetitive searching into an automated background task. The hype here is that search is about to save you a massive amount of time and mental energy. Google is even adding agentic booking. It pulls pricing and availability and helps complete the booking. It can even call businesses on your behalf to ask about services or appointments. This transforms search from a passive tool into an active helper that gets things done for you in the real world. Of course, there's a reality check. As search provides answers instead of sending traffic, it will impact businesses and creators who rely on website traffic. The core idea is to shift Google Workspace from apps you operate manually into a connected, AI-powered system that works with you. Instead of you doing all the typing, formatting, organizing, an AI agent will be there to help you autonomously. The first major update is bringing voice to the forefront. Docs Live is a new feature that acts as a voice-powered writing partner. You can talk through a rough idea brainstorm out loud, and the AI will organize your thoughts into a structured draft. You can ramble about your topic, ask the AI to pull your resume from Google Drive for context, ask it to come up with funny analogies. It turns messy, scattered thoughts into a polished, usable document. Another major update is AI Inbox for Gmail. It identifies your most important messages, surfaces time-sensitive tasks, drafts, personalized replies that you can review and send with a single click. Google is also introducing Google Pics, a new image editing tool built directly into Workspace. You can generate visuals, edit visuals inside documents or slides, move objects, resize objects, transform objects without having to switch to another program. It's all about keeping you in the flow. The hype is obvious. These tools promise to make our work lives dramatically more efficient. But the reality check is crucial. As we rely more on AI to draft our emails and write our documents, we must remain vigilant. AI can make confident-sounding mistakes, so always double-check facts and figures. The goal is to use AI as a powerful assistant, not a replacement for your own critical thinking. Faster work is great, but correct work is essential. Always keep a human in the loop for anything important. Google's AI ambitions aren't confined to your screen. They are moving into the physical world, and two announcements show this clearly. New Android XR smart glasses, powerful new AI chips. In partnership with Samsung, Qualcomm, Google is developing smart glasses powered by Gemini. Designed to give you AI assistance in real time without pulling out your phone. You can simply ask a question. Gemini will respond, seeing what you see and understanding context. The other big piece is the hardware powering all this AI. Google announced next-gen custom chips, TPU V8T, for training massive models, TPU V8i for efficient inference. Specialized chips make models faster, more powerful, much more energy efficient. This infrastructure is Google's secret weapon, letting them scale AI to billions at lower cost. And across the industry, NVIDIA, Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, xAI, Anthropic, all racing toward smarter models from GPT to Gemini to Grok, inching us toward AGI. Reality check for smart glasses is significant. For wide adoption, they need to be stylish, comfortable, long battery life, and address major privacy concerns. For the chips, big advantage for Google, but it also centralizes power among a few companies. A trend to watch as AI evolves. It's clear that the way we interact with technology is about to undergo a massive change. AI is moving from a novelty to a utility, baked into the core products we use for searching, working, creating. The tools are becoming more proactive, more conversational, more capable of handling complex, multi-step tasks. Google is building a personal assistant for your entire life, designed to save you time and effort. However, this excitement must be balanced with a healthy dose of caution. We get the best of both worlds by embracing the help of AI, while always keeping a human in the driver's seat. So here is one simple question for you. As these AI tools integrate into your life, which daily task are you most excited to hand over to an AI assistant?